Money or love? Which is more important in your married life? Hi friends, welcome to Marriage Realities, a comprehensive relationship channel. Today's video is all about the competition between love and money in your married life. Which contributes more towards the happiness of your marriage? Is it the tons of money you earn, or is it the love you have for your spouse? This is a much debated topic. I'm sure you too must have discussed about this hot topic with your spouse. Modern couples feel that earning lots of money inevitably means a happy marriage, my 85-year-old mother told me. But after earning the money they so wanted, couples realized that it has nothing to do with the marital happiness. My mother smiled. I think my mother had a point there. Before marriage, your concentration is in loving your spouse ardently. Yes, you marry your spouse out of intense love for him or her. But after your marriage, your concentration shifts from displaying your love to earning lots of money. It is because you feel that when you're rich, you can enjoy a happy marriage, and that you can make your spouse happy. The sad thing is, there seems to be no enough money among modern couples. You want more and more money. You just cannot have enough of it. Shall I ask you one question? Which would you rate higher? Your relationship with your spouse or the wealth that give you great social status? You want the love of your spouse. You also want loads of money. But your craze for money edges the love you have for your spouse a wee bit to an unattended corner. It is a fact that you fail miserably in making the love for your spouse prominent in your relationship. Do you know why most modern marriages fail? It is because you feel money can buy happiness in your married life. But when you do not concentrate on nurturing your relationship, everything about your marriage becomes stale and boring. Love, care, emotional support that gives meaning to your relationship becomes more like an orphan, unattended and ignored. Your intense concentration is now on acquiring great wealth. You crave for latest modern gadgets, latest cars, swanky bungalow, and whatever your money can buy. You want to show the world that your social status is worthy of attention. You that much connect the happiness in your relationship with the money you earn. Do you feel you can have incredible happiness in your married life only if you have immense wealth? If this was true, only rich couples can be happy. And you well know the divorce rate among rich couples is alarmingly high. Do you know happiness in your married life does not depend upon money? But the financial stability of your marriage depends upon money. Money gives you great standard of living. It earns you immense self-respect. When you have money, you can provide the best for your family. You become your own master. Money makes your married life comfortable as you do not have to run from pillar to post for your essential family needs. You feel a sense of well-being when you get the things your children and spouse crave for. Money also makes you earn the respect of the society. But this is all about money can do to your marriage. I'm sure you would not agree with me. You're dead sure that your good social status is the only key to your happy marriage. So you work fervently towards making yourself financially successful. You and your spouse present yourself as a picture-perfect couple to the outside world. Your diamonds glitter, your clothes speak of class and money. The limousine you drive around, the high-class clubs you're a prestigious member speaks volumes of your incredible social status. The world envies you. The world links your wealth and money power to your happiness in your married life. When others jealously ogle at your wealth, it gives you a false sense of elevated pride that all is well with your marriage. You feel at the top of the world. Does your relationship become happy because of your wealth? Do you interact lovingly with your spouse because of the loads of money you have? No. When there's no true love between you, your high social status means nothing. because it does not in any way bring happiness into your relationship with your spouse. When there's no good relationship between you, your married life is loveless and birthless. You spend your time in your own world and your spouse in his or her own world. And your children are glued to laptops, mobiles and video games. There's no laughter or happy interaction in your family. Deadly silence rules your home. Your tons of money have just made you acquire great social status. It has made your married life comfortable. Nothing else. Because money does not in any way bring love or happiness into your relationship. The very purpose of earning good money is defeated when your relationship with your spouse is all money and no love. Only a good relationship with your spouse is the key to your happiness in life. But you cannot enjoy good married life just like that. Your good relationship with your spouse depends upon how well you cater to the emotional needs of each other. When your emotions are ignored and discarded by your spouse, the loads of money you have becomes meaningless. The good vibes you enjoy with your spouse cannot be equated with money. It is because its value cannot be metered and scaled. Emotional intimacy in your marriage is worth tons of gold. The friendly communication you enjoy with your spouse is worth more than your diamonds. The unconditional support you give each other makes your marriage worth more than $1 million. Does all this mean that your marriage can survive solely on love, emotional support, care and friendly communication? This is where your marriage gets trickish. Your relationship with your spouse might be emotionally intimate, loving and very communicative. But to be so, you need money. When you have no money, there will be no emotional intimacy between you. You will not feel loving towards your spouse. Your communication with your spouse will not be friendly when there is no money. When there is no money, your relationship with your spouse becomes hostile and volcanic. Your love just cannot survive without money. You will argue with your spouse for petty reasons when you do not have money for your day-to-day survival. It is because your love cannot pay the educational fees of your children. Your love cannot buy you groceries. Love cannot pay your electric bills. Love cannot pay your mortgages. You need hard cash to lead your married life. Money is the power which gives you financial security. Money gives you the power to live your married life without depending upon others. Can you now see why you need money to enjoy your marriage? But do not make money your only priority. Money is just a means to make your family life comfortable, stable and secure. Give top priority to your family values. This is the true way to enjoy great happiness in your married life. Now you're confused about the right way to live your married life. Should you concentrate totally on nurturing a relationship and ignore your financial status? Or should you concentrate on your financial well-being and ignore the emotional well-being of your marriage? Here is the answer. You should definitely work hard for the financial betterment of your family. But financial well-being or financial independence is just not enough to make your marriage stable, happy and steady. You should also make your relationship thrive with love and care. Are you wondering how to combine both? You can have best of the two worlds if you know the right way to balance between money and relationship. It just needs your tightrope walking. You should cater to the emotional needs of your spouse as well as earn good money for the financial stability of your family. Show your love for your family and spend quality time with them. Since money is an awesome tool which gives you incredible buying capacity, concentrate on earning more money. Do not stop at earning only money. Concentrate on nurturing a relationship with your spouse. Because love and money are equally important for your marriage. Did this video make you understand that you need love and money to enjoy a happy married life? Marriage Realities will have many such relationship eye-openers. Subscribe to my channel to understand your marriage in a new light. Press the bell icon for updates about my latest relationship videos. Make love forever until death do us part your relationship goal.